Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage speed limiter. To activate speed limiter, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the limit button. Press it and now press set minus button. Take a look at the instrument cluster display, and here we've got the speed limiter indicator. Now you can increase the speed by pushing the set minus button upwards or decrease it by pushing it downwards. To disable speed limiter, press the limit button again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.